All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I am here with Nelson Fesas of Texas Weapon Systems.
That's correct.
And he's going to show us this top cover system that I guess it's called the top cover system, right?
Yes, it's the dogleg rail top cover system for the AK-47 rifle.
Dogleg rail.
That's right.
All right, very cool.
So this system now is in its third generation format, which we've just introduced just before Christmas, actually.
Okay.
And this system is designed to solve the problems inherent in mounting an optic on the AK platform. Now, you know, 1947, they weren't using that kind of thing, but we've got different needs today.
Yes.
So the critical characteristics we need to retain on this rifle platform is the ability to easily field strip it, also the ability to mount our cleaning rods and bayonets on these rifles.
Mm-hmm.
So we want to keep that functionality while adding more functionality. So we've got this coplanar top cover and handguard system designed to work together in order to maintain the field stripping capability of the rifle. We've designed this nice hinge system
Yes.
that opens up like that, allows you to get to the innards of the rifle and do your service and maintenance.
Mm-hmm.
Now, one of the new capabilities we added to this Generation 3 system has to do with the 1 to 4 variable power optics, which are becoming increasingly popular. Now, on those rifles, or excuse me, on those optics, when you've got them mounted here, they tend to overhang the hinge point by a small amount, usually a couple of inches or so.
Mm-hmm.
So as your cover opens, the front end of your optic comes down, strikes either the handguard or the rear sight block there. So what we do is we've added a takedown pin from an AR-15 type rifle, and now the cover comes off complete with optic. You can have multiple optics set up for the given weapon, or remove and replace as you need, and you always maintain zero and that field stripping capability that we need on this platform.
And then you've also
There
got,
we go.
in the handguard, you've got a replacement gas tube system.
That is correct. So we've got this new handguard system that is equipped with M-LOK rail compatible features. Again, coplanar with the top cover, so you can run your optic and a night vision or thermal device on there and configure the rifle however your needs may dictate.
Right.
Now, I've got a loose example of this handguard here,
Here it is.
which we'll have a look at. And look at some of the internal features of it.
Right, and it allows you to free float the barrel, right?
That is correct.
And then the gas tube moves with, if it makes contact or whatever, it moves.
That is correct. So, because of the unique clamping system on this top cover system, you'll see we've got it here,
Yeah.
and opens that way. It's got a new gas tube that comes with the system. It's part of the kit, and it attaches at the chamber end of your barrel with this barrel bushing system here, and then it's got a wedge clamp system that fits at the back, which fits into the receiver space between the trunnion and the sheet metal receiver itself. It's an expanding wedge lock system, which very solidly secures the handguard to the weapon. By doing that, now we have free floated this barrel from the barrel clamp area forwards. And so there's no contact anywhere along the barrel. And this particular gas tube system here, if we look at it this way, is designed to flex a little bit. You can see that slight amount of movement.
Yeah.
Okay, so as your handguard is braced on a pack, on a tree, on a rock, whatever you're doing in order to stabilize your shot, and you induce a stress into the rifle, you're not transferring that into your barrel, either through the handguard itself or through the gas tube, because of that small amount of motion that we allow in there.
Very cool.
Yeah, and so that comes
And what is
together
this,
there.
what's this going to go for roughly, this package?
So this handguard system here retails for $295. The top cover for the receiver retails for $170.
Okay. All right, so you can quick upgrade to your AK.
Absolutely. And then of course we've got the optional rear peep sight, which we attach at the extreme rearmost end of the top cover, nearly doubling the sight radius on the rifle. We've got a nice small aperture back here. And most people's reaction when they first shoulder this rifle with a peep sight back here is they say, wow, look at that. Because the original factory AK optics are so poor.
Right, not the greatest.
That's correct.
So very cool. All right, Texas Weapon Systems at SHOT Show 2016. You are watching DefenseReview.com.